Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Union Home Mortgage account. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in Union Home Mortgage, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as uhm.com. In my case, it's the first one. And now you are in the official website of Union Home Mortgage. Now tap on this My Account button, which is on the top right of your screen. Then you will be facing a form asking for your username and password. So go ahead and type your username in the text field given for username and type your password in the text field given for password. You can tap on this eye icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your correct password or not. You can also check this box that says remember my username so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. Now also check this box to agree to user terms and privacy policy. If you don't have account in Union Home Mortgage, you can create one by tapping on this button, register your account. You can also reset your password if you have forgotten by tapping on this text that says forgot password. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you will be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. This is how you log into your account. I hope you found this video helpful. Give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your questions in the comment section below. I will be happy to help.